Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sofia. Today we're traveling to the magical sticky waterfall or Bua Tong, a hidden gem and incredible beautiful landscape located 1 hour away from Chiang Mai. Today's journey, it's not just about exploring nature, but also about overcoming fears and finding joy in the simple of things. So there is lots of stairs here to go down. We're going all the way down to the sticky waterfalls. Apparently there is more than one or two waterfalls. You're supposed to have a rope that you can climb up. So let's see if it's hard, easy, slippery, sticky. So it's free to get inside here. You just need to have a transportation to get here. And it's 1 hour and 15 minutes from Chiang Mai. I'm overexposed because the sun is so strong right now. The sounds of the waterfall, it's fantastic. Sticky waterfalls of Bua Tong. What makes them unique is the mineral deposits that provide an almost magical grip, making it easy to climb. Now let's talk about why this place is a heaven for kids and even adults who might be appreciative about water or heights. The general cascadas and the grippy surface make it a safe place for little ones to explore and beat their fears.
This is level 2.
It's okay, you can do it.
I'm
No.
scared.
I'm here.
Please, can I go down?
Watch as these young adventurers tackle the falls. It's not just about climbing, it's about learning, growing, and overcoming fears. I'll give you the rope.
Oh, the rope is here.
Oh, some pieces here slippery. This is slippery. Hold the rope. Hold the rope. Still away for us. Go slowly.
We need a rope. I need ropey pants. Hold the phone. I need it. Ropey.
Hazak. Hold the rope. Okay. Woo! Leo, hug.
Ooh, is that the top?
This is the top. And it's not just about climbing. Around the falls, nature has crafted perfect spot for families to unwind. Bring a picnic basket in the beauty and let the natural tranquility of the surrounding calm your soul. So we started our way here. We stopped in the Zombie Cafe. It was beautiful, it was big, it was delicious, it's gorgeous. You can take there lots of pictures. And I really recommend you to stop on the way to the sticky waterfalls. Then we stopped in the airplane. It's more experience for the kids. Cost 130 baht. You buy a drink and then you can get on board and get your drinks. It was really cute. It's more fun for kids. For adults, I think you can skip it definitely. And then we came to the sticky waterfalls. It's really interesting when you climb up, you really stick. The rocks is sharp. The rocks is like you can, when you climb up the waterfalls, it's very nice because you can slip or fall down. You don't need shoes. With little kids, you might need to help them in some part of the way. We took a private car for the day. We paid 1,500 baht for the car, include gas. Pay attention, some places want 2,000, 3,000, and they want you to pay for the gas. So you definitely can find a car for 1,500, include gas, and stop along the way in really cool places. I think it's better to spend here more hours, like to arrive here early in the morning as soon as the sun is out. I don't think we spend enough time here. Came a little bit too late, around 2 o'clock, and we want to let our driver to go back home early. So this is all. Hopefully you enjoy this trip with us, and I'll see you in our next video. Thumbs up, subscribe, and enjoy your day. Bye! Our day at the sticky waterfalls come to the end. We live with more than just memories. We take back lessons and bravery, the joy of nature, and the simple pleasure of a day well spent. Until next time, keep exploring, keep climbing, and keep making each moment count.
Northern Thailand has so much to offer for your family vacation.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in our next adventure in Chiang Mai. Bye!